This is how you change the battery on the RX1 1Q module for the FireStorm system. All of our modules have battery indication. It's all displayed in the same way, which is that when you switch it on, the status LED at about 5-second intervals is going to show you a series of blips or flashes, and that tells you what level the battery's at. So 3 flashes like here means the battery's full, it's completely good to use. 2 flashes means it's getting a bit empty and you want to think about changing it soon. 1 blip means the battery's quite empty and we wouldn't recommend firing. Changing the battery, it's really easy. All you do is turn the unit off, turn it round so you're looking at the panel that has a terminal on it. Remove the 2 screws, like this. Obviously watch you don't lose these. The panel will just drop off, the bezel will drop off, and you'll see you've got your 9-volt battery in there with your battery snap on it. Give the unit a light tap, and the battery's going to slide out like that. Take the battery snap off, pull the battery out, and then you can just reinstall the battery by doing the reverse of that. Obviously once the battery's reinstalled and the panel's all in, you want to turn it around, switch it on again, and just look at the status LED and wait for the battery flash so you know that your battery's full and connected correctly. This is the 6Q module for the FireStorm firing system. I'm going to quickly show you how to change the batteries in this one now. This receiver has an 18-volt output, so it uses 2 9-volt batteries that are locked in here, as opposed to just 1 9-volt battery like the RX1 1Q module does. The battery indication is exactly the same way. When you switch the unit on, we're going to have the status LED flash out the battery level, 3 blips for full, 2 blips for sort of medium full. 1 blip means that you probably shouldn't use the unit and the batteries want to be changed. So to change the batteries, switch the unit off. We need to remove 6 screws. We're going to remove 4 from this panel and the top 2 from this panel. We'll just go ahead and do that now. And be careful you don't lose these screws. So what's going to happen is we're just going to remove this panel like this, and we're just going to slide off this end bezel. What's going to happen is this top panel is going to slide out here. Oh, in fact, we haven't needed to remove these 2 top screws. Sometimes you do to make it slightly easier. This panel is going to easily slide out. You can see your 2 batteries are locked in here. Now to take the batteries out, it's really easy. All you do is just put your finger behind them, rock it up, and it comes out. And you can do the same for this one here. And obviously to reinstall the batteries, you do the exact opposite, click them in place, push the battery down, and they just lock into the hole there. So we'll do that the same with this one. So there we go. That's locked in place. You then take your panel, it slides back in, and then we'd reinstall everything just in the reverse order. Remember that once you're done, switch the unit on, make sure your batteries are all in correctly, and that you've got a full battery reading.